welcome back to the Indian Century. This video is all about Vagamon Windy Walk Trekking, an ideal short walk trip for all the nature enthusiasts. Vagamon's authenticity stands on the grass-covered mountains with a cool wind blowing all over. Vagamon is a beautiful hill station located in the border of Kottayam and Idukki districts at 3,600 feet above sea level. The Vagamon Windy Walk Trek or the Vagamon Trail is organized and operated by the Eco Development Committee, an initiative by the Forest Department and the local government bodies as a sustainable development project. A forest guard shall accompany you for the entire 3-hour trek. If you are lucky enough, you might encounter elephants too. The journey, specifically during the monsoon season, is scenic and worth visiting for all nature lovers and solitude lovers. Thanks for watching. To watch more trekking videos, subscribe our channel and stay tuned.